The myZEFER application learns about new things every day. One way that myZEFER learns is when users like yourself enter information about your assets. Important things that myZEFER learns about are things like its life cycle, or how long the piece of equipment should last, and what its replacement value is. With these two pieces of information, myZEFER can value your assets or equipment and even tell you how much money you should be setting aside to replace it when it has lasted as long as it should. When you set up new asset files, myZEFER asks you to assign it to a class and subclass. If it is something that myZEFER has some information about, you will find it in the drop-down menus. If you don't find what you are looking for in the drop-down menus, don't worry. Just add it to the other and the subclass miscellaneous devices. When myZEFER begins to learn more about the information that users enter into it, it will create a custom class and subclass so that it can learn about your equipment and things and report this back to you. Let's take, for example, that you want to add the air conditioning unit for your house. Once you have created your organization and facility, you can begin to add your assets. Select Residential AC for class, and let's say you have a split system. That's a unit that has a condensing unit outside and an inside air conditioning unit in the attic, basement, or closet. Next, let's give this unit a name. You may have multiple air conditioning units, so let's call this one AC1. Next, add the manufacturer, the model, and serial number from the tag or receipt, and an asset description. If you aren't sure of the year or month installed, that's okay. Take a guess. You will notice that because myZEFER already knows something about residential air conditioning units, it has created a suggested replacement cost. You may know of or have a different cost, so myZEFER allows you to overwrite the replacement cost field. Every time a user overwrites this field, myZEFER learns about replacement costs in different zip codes and may soon be able to give you suggested replacement costs in your specific area. If you have pictures or receipts, maintenance manuals, service tickets, or other information about your assets or things, myZEFER allows you to upload it and attach it to that asset for you to use later. Don't forget to hit submit, and voila! You have added an asset to your myZEFER account. Be sure to check out the other explainer videos about the cool things that myZEFER does with your information once you add it to an account. In the meantime, thanks for using myZEFER. myZEFER by ID Syscom. If you only knew.